Oh. Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, teaching the world to make music with technology. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional songwriter, if you've ever experienced writer's block, you'll know how hard it is to get inspired. Sometimes all you need is a little nudge in the right direction. Well, BandLab has just designed the perfect solution for getting your creative juices flowing again and getting back on track. Introducing SongStarter. It's simple and easy to use and will get you inspired and writing great tunes in seconds. Let's dive in. In Google, type in bandlab.com/SongStarter. Let's get you inspired. Click to roll the dice. It's generating ideas. Takes about 10 seconds. Let's have a listen. Okay, that's the first one, and let's change the mood. That's the little sun icon. Next mood. Nice. Let's have idea 2. That was the night icon. Let's change it. Idea 3. Let's change the mood. And again. So we have 3 ideas and 3 moods, so 9 from one click of the mouse on the dice. Let's restart. Let's try entering a lyric. Sunshine on my mind, but darkness in my heart. Oh God, what's this going to be like? Let's find out. I don't actually know if those lyrics or those words actually generate the song. Ooh. Hint of sadness there. Sunshine. And then that change to darkness. Okay, it's got my attention. Let's change it. Yeah, I like the chord progression. Okay, what about idea 2? No. Let's change the mood. No. 3. Change the mood. Nope, not keen on the bass. So the one I like was... Okay, let's take this one. I like the chord progression, but I want to change it. And the place to do that is in BandLab Studio. Let's open it up. A couple of seconds, in it comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tracks. Banjo, honky tonk, jazz, bass, and of course we can change any of these sounds. So let's have a listen first of all. Let's put the cycle on as well. And by the way, if you are interested in BandLab, this is the main screen, the mix editor. I have hundreds of videos in my collection, so please like, subscribe and ring the bell so that you can find out when I release the next one. So let's take the banjo. I'm going to solo it here, S for solo. Okay, I'm going to click on the banjo icon, and down here under instrument I can change the sound, and I've got hundreds to choose from. So a keyboard sound, I think, synth keys, we can audition them here. Let's try that. Let's play it with the rest of them. Okay, the drums isn't doing anything for me. I'm going to mute the drums and I'm going to add a new drum track. And I can do that by going to BandLab Sounds, and we have over 10,000 looped samples, one-shots in different genres, including electronic, rock, metal, rhythmic, effects, folk, classics, global, hip-hop, R&B, pop, lo-fi, film and soundtracks. I'm not sure quite what this tune is at the moment, but I think we're going to go for electronic. And the instrument I want is the drums or beats. Let's try beats. Okay, like that. Drag it in. And you can see this is now a waveform. This is audio, whereas this is MIDI files. It's a lot easier to change the sounds and the position of the notes with the MIDI. We've got less choice of what we do with the audio, but if you look at the videos I've produced, you can see we can do incredible things with that as well. Let's play. Okay, the other great thing about it is we can change the tempo. So let's speed it up to 110, let's say. Let's adjust that. I can see there's another kit there. We've got two kits in this one actually, so let's mute them both so we can hear the drums. It's getting there, it's getting there. I'm getting excited. Honky tonk on the chords. I can tell they're chords because they're all in a row, in columns. So let's solo that. Honky tonk piano. Let's see if we can find something a little bit more interesting. Click on the icon down to honky tonk piano, and let's go for synth keys, synth leads, shall we this time? Plucked lead. Okay, let's try that. Straight away it's got that 8-bit sort of game feel. Let's have a listen. It's too loud, so I can turn it down. Let's turn up melody. Okay, that'll do for now. Let's go to the bass. Okay, that's a punchy jazz bass. Probably want something a bit more synthy. Electric basses, synth basses. Again, a huge choice. Quite nice. Let's have a listen. Take the solo off. Honky Tonk seems a bit harsh to me. It's not Honky Tonk anymore, of course. It is a hyper pop synth. I might change that. Okay, try that. Like it. So for me, that is where I want to start this song. Lots to do yet. I've only just done 4 bars, but now I've got something I want to work with. So that's the first session in the new BandLab SongStarter. And if that's been useful, as I said, subscribe, hit that bell, like the video, and I'm going to be doing a lot more on this because I think it's got really exciting potential to create new songs. When you really have no idea what you're doing, if you're a beginner, what a great way to start. If you've got writer's block, great ideas to inspire you. So, till the next time, keep making music.